And she climbed.
She's here.
She thrived.
All right.
Hi guys, it's me Haley Marie and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my bestie Sammy Lynn, and we are doing a collab. Today's video is going to be me turning Sammy into me. And if you want to see her turn me into her, then check out the video on her channel. I'll have it linked down below for you guys. So
I'm ready.
Time to make you me.
She's gonna do literally what she did to her face to my face.
So excited.
I'm
so
excited.
Let's go. You look cute with
I'm
the bun.
ready.
I like the bun on you. So we're gonna prime first. So I'm using the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. If anyone watches my channel, they know this is what I use.
I've watched many
religiously.
videos where you talk about this. Whoa, it's cold.
Yeah.
Oh, lay it on thick, girl.
It has like coconut water in it, so it's like smells really good.
Coconut.
Yeah, and it has probiotics, so it's like really good for your skin. So it's kind of like a moisturizer and a primer in one, and it doesn't like clog my pores.
It feels good.
Yeah, it also helps with acne too. We left your beauty blender dry because you don't like it wet. So I normally would wet it, but we're gonna do it dry for Sammy's sake. And then we have the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and this is in the shade Warm Beige. This is my favorite. It's like a medium to full coverage, so it's like thick.
Oh yeah,
but not
I
too
can tell
thick.
it's thick.
Like I've used thicker.
Way thicker than what I use.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
for sure. For those of you who don't watch my channel, first of all, you should.
Yes, you should.
Second of all, I don't like do heavy makeup. I used to, but then I just kind of stopped somewhere along the way. I think it was for my skin. Like I wanted my skin to stop drying out so badly, so I just stopped wearing heavy foundation and like heavy makeup. And then somewhere along the way, I stopped liking the way I looked with heavy makeup, so I'm interested to see if I actually like this or if it's gonna be a no-go for me. Does this match my skin?
Oh, this actually matches you perfect. This is your shade.
Perfect!
That's wild. Side note, everyone should go check out your Mexico vlogs.
Have you been watching them?
Yes, I have. I'm obsessed with the whole Mexico trip. Like,
I know,
I've
I'm
been
sad
looking
you
at all
needed to
the
go.
I'm sad too. I really wanted to go too.
Guys, thumbs the video up if you want me and Haley to go on a trip together and vlog it.
Yes! Oh my god, that'd be so much fun. Girls trip. We need.
Yeah, but I want to come to LA, so that
Yeah.
can be girls trip. I feel like you don't really vlog in LA like at all. You
I
just vlog
don't.
when you travel around LA.
Yeah. Yeah. Like
So
places. I did vlog in LA. That'll be up before this.
Oh, okay. But I
Yeah.
haven't seen it yet.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So we happen to use the same concealer. You guys know the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in Neutralizer. This is...
Oh Lord, I don't know about this.
What? I'm patting because I know.
I know, but you're also rubbing.
I know.
It's okay. You just do it how you do it.
Yeah. We're making you me right. This I have to rub.
Ugh. Oh, that feels unnormal.
And now I'll just pull this out.
See, like I used to do all of this,
Yeah.
and then I just stopped.
I don't got time for that.
I don't.
Yeah. I know you don't. That's the thing.
I got too much stuff to do, man. I don't got time for this.
But natural makeup.
I feel like my
so
eyes
good
are
on
like
you.
going crazy.
We've been through a lot. You're gonna have a crease there. Otherwise,
Do you want me to do a little blend, or is it good?
if you want to, but I think it looks good here. I love this mirror.
Like the lash line. Did you get it all up in there?
I think it got pretty good. But if
Can't
you want
see it. You're like holding it like this. I'm like, I am not all the way up.
You
there.
held the highlighter upside down, so we're even now.
You're right. That does smell like old lady.
It smells like Old Lady. The Airspun Cody's.
I've heard about that. I just haven't
It works
used
great.
It smells like an old lady.
So if you're not into that, it might not be for you. But I like vintage smelling things.
What type of skin do you have? Like, do you have normal?
Combination.
Oh,
What about you?
really dry. That's kind of part of why I like to be glowy, is because my skin doesn't look like that for real. So I like to just fake it till we make it.
You're going to hate me because we're cream contouring.
I've never cream contoured before.
So we're going to do,
I feel like I gotta stay really still.
Not really, because we're blending. I'm not going to cream contour the forehead because I only do that sometimes. I feel like it looks more natural when you just use bronzer on the forehead.
I need to learn how to contour my nose.
Yeah.
I suck at it, but my nose is like gigantic.
Actually, your nose isn't.
Thanks.
You're welcome. I think you have a normal sized nose.
I kind of am loving this, but I'm also kind of hating it. I feel like when you don't blend it in, it looks like Penelope.
Penelope? What's Penelope?
Like the pig girl.
I don't know who that is.
What?
Yeah, I don't know.
Isn't it like a... I don't know what it is. It's not a princess. The girl who has like the nose that she looks like a pig.
I don't even know what that is. Oh my god, what? That's a thing?
It's like a child story.
Okay. Yeah, didn't read that one.
Didn't read that one.
So we're using the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Kit.
I like this.
Yeah, I'm running a little low, as you can see, but we're gonna use as much as we can of that shade right there.
I use that's what I use sometimes. That's what I use when I want cool tones.
Yeah, I love.
And when I want warm tones, I use the chocolate one. But usually I go for the warm tones because it's summertime.
Yeah, that's why I use this middle shade. It's so pretty for like a little bit of a bronzed glow, and it's what I like about this is it has like no shimmer, you know?
Oh my gosh, I hate when it's like shimmery. Yeah, I'm gonna be a bronze goddess.
Yeah,
I love glowing.
I love a nice bronzed look. I'm using the like lightest little gray undertone one to contour the nose because it looks like more of a natural shadow.
If I like the way my nose looks after this, you gotta teach me how to do it.
The Milani Tea Rose Blush.
If this looks amazing, I'm gonna have to hire you to do my makeup for something.
You got it.
I don't know what for, just for something.
Oh, that color's so pretty on you.
Like, I think they have like a dance kind of thing, like a formal thing at UT, actually, now that I think about it. I feel like I've seen pictures of people who did it.
Yeah.
So you could do my makeup for that.
Gladly. Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, the sun dipped one.
I want to see.
And my favorite is Summer.
Okay, I'm really excited for this.
This is
you have like all the products that I wanted to try. I can't believe you haven't tried so many of my products.
I know, because they're like ones that I've wanted to try too. Okay, so your brows are a lot fuller than mine, so I don't want to give you like two huge caterpillars. So I'm gonna...
Thanks, I appreciate it.
No, it looks good like naturally. Do you know what I mean?
Thanks.
But the shape, with like the shape that I would typically do, I can make it work. But you're gonna be like, what's happening? I have to go back in and reshape that one because it was a little difficult. But
I'm just scared for like the brows. That's the only thing that's like super different.
yeah, well, you should be a little scared about the brows because it's a little different. Yours are so natural.
Yeah.
So it's like normally when I do people's brows too, they're like already like plucked or something.
I like to pluck them so they look like I didn't pluck them.
Yeah, it looks really good. Like,
Thanks.
but it's just like different.
It's okay. One time I went to go get my hair cut and the lady cut my hair and she went, I guessed that pretty good. Isn't that terrible?
No, that's not fine.
I know, so you're doing better than her.
Okay, good. Eyeshadow time. We're using the Jaclyn Hill palette. And what's funny about this is we had a discussion about how you weren't wild about this.
No.
So maybe today that'll change your mind.
I don't know. I like these colors right here. It's like
That's what
this
I made
one.
use. I used this on the 4th of July.
This one
and that.
This one and this one would not blend for me, and neither would this one.
See, I've never used these.
Oh, well then it's probably great for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like all of these. These
Yeah.
are the colors I use like a lot.
Same. I like warm tones. The color I just used was Silk Cream. Great transition shade. I've been using this palette every day for 6 months. Like that I do my makeup. I'm not even joking. Haven't even hit pan, so that just says a lot about the pan
It looks
sizes.
brand new.
It's so pigmented.
I really made a dent in mine, man.
I love this palette.
My feet are falling asleep.
They are? Okay, fix them. Whee!
I'm gonna come closer to you so
Okay.
it's not like weird.
Is it ever not weird? Let's be real.
The shade?
Yeah, no, your legs are really smooth. You're
Oh,
fine.
thanks.
You're
I can't
welcome.
remember.
So I'm using the Stila Kitten Karma.
That stuff is so good.
Yeah. Have you used this color?
I have no idea what color I used.
Okay, this is
But
like
Jaclyn Hill made me buy it.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah. I mean, not like physically.
Yeah.
Like I saw her video and I was like,
Right.
I gotta buy that. She wasn't like at the store like, you have to buy this. That would be pretty cool though.
Yeah. I didn't get into her videos until after I bought the palette.
Oh, really?
Like I bought the palette just because I swatched every palette in the store and I liked that one the best. Like I felt like it was what I was looking for the most. And I went in there for a completely different palette. This color is my favorite. It's like a rose gold but also like pink. And I love like a shimmery pink on my lid. Like that's my thing. And then we're gonna go back into this palette and we're gonna use Beam, which is this shade right here. I just use.
Oh my gosh, that was the cutest sneeze in the world.
That's my sneeze.
I don't think I've ever heard you sneeze before. Like that highlight.
Oh yay! Yeah, that's such a good highlight, right?
It is. It's a good one.
Okay, so now I'm going back in with that one. I think it was called Butter. I just look up. You're fine. You need a blink? Just tell me and we'll stop.
Who needs to blink?
You're gonna hate me when it's time for eyeliner and lashes.
Uh-oh. I suck at putting on lashes.
Oh, I'm like the queen.
So I never do them.
I literally do it. Okay, done. Whew. Eyeshadow. Finito.
Finito.
My channel's getting a different side of me. Human interaction, Haley. Eyeliner. Physicians Formula Ultra Black Liner. Favorite eyeliner. And Target stopped selling it in this color. They only sell it in dark brown now. And I had to order it from Ulta online. This, like, I can cry and it doesn't go anywhere.
Alright, so if every single one of your subscribers goes out and buys one of these, they'll be like, wow, people like these.
Yeah.
So it's your job to
please,
buy one.
Exactly. So just go buy them so I'm able to continue buying them forever. Wow, it looks so good. Okay, eyeliner's done.
Thanks.
Sweet.
I'm still scared. I'm so.
Okay.
Well, I think when I take my hair down, my eyebrows won't look so.
Yeah, that's true too.
Dark.
Trust me, it scares me too. Not you, I mean like me when I look in the mirror. Kiss number 11 lashes are my favorite everyday lash. Sometimes I'll do something more dramatic, but these are like a nice length. They look like your natural lashes, but just better. And then the Ardell brush on lash adhesive. I literally have to order like this stuff online because they don't
I asked you about
sell
that
anymore.
You said it was amazing.
It's the best.
This is the moment of truth right here, man. Okay. How do you want my eye? Open, closed?
Somewhat open, like how you have it right now. It's on.
Are you for real?
That's how quickly I put on lashes. Like, it's a talent now at this point.
Man, how do you get used to this feeling though?
Sammy. It's like you entered another realm.
I feel like it's falling off, but it's not.
It's not. It's not going anywhere. You're like, I wish it would go somewhere at this point.
I don't know how to feel.
Sammy's like, who is that? Who is she? It's me.
It's Haley.
It's me.
I like the lashes though. I like
Yay.
lashes.
If you want to do the mascara portion, you are more than welcome to.
Wait, how do I do it?
I
How do
just
you want me
coat
to do
my
it?
lashes a little bit. Isn't that a great mascara though?
I don't know.
You don't know. Yeah, that's the thing about lashes.
I can't
don't
tell.
know. Can't tell. Lipstick. I use these 3 products. So
Okay.
we're gonna start off with the Rimmel London Exaggerate Lip Liner in Epic 45. And I like it because it's a roll-up liner.
I feel
Looking fine.
insane, man.
Let me see. Yeah, that looks good.
This is just the weirdest feeling ever.
And then we're gonna do the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in Stripped. This is like my favorite. Use this stuff like anytime I'm wearing like a nude lip. It's always like this.
This is wild, man. I just feel really odd.
Okay, well your makeup's done, so.
Do I look like Haley?
I think you look like Haley, and it's kind of creeping me out just a little bit.
I know, I'm like sitting here and she's like, oh my god, stop it.
Yeah, like she'll make certain faces or turn her head a certain way and I'm just like, that's me, and I'm like, whoa. So I didn't realize like the way I do my makeup every day could make someone look so much like me.
That was fun.
That was so fun. It looked so good. I love your eye makeup like that.
I know, I love the eye makeup. The
Yeah.
eyeshadow is really pretty.
And the face makeup looks really good on you. That foundation is your color. That's the scary part.
What can I say? Here's what I gotta say. I can't do my eyebrows like this because look at her eyebrows. How they're shaped.
Mm-hmm.
Mine don't
It was
look,
a challenge to
mine
even
don't
get
look
them.
like that.
Yeah, it was a challenge to even get them like that.
I don't like
I
yours
don't
'cause
hate
I
them.
can't
I'm not
do it.
offended, but like I get it.
And then I don't like my lips overlined this much. And like the stuff you use is a lot more dry
It's
than
dry.
the stuff I use.
Yeah.
But everything else I really like. Like, it's cute, girl.
I'm glad you like it.
But the stuff I don't like on me looks cute on you. I just want to say that. So you're not like, oh my god, she
No.
hates my eyebrows.
No, I don't think that at all. Like, I get where you're coming from because we have different shaped brows. Make sure you go check out the video we did on her channel of her turning me into her. Oh, do you want to do that? Bye.
Oh, okay.
Since we're twins.
Okay.
On the count of
I'm gonna
three.
try to say it like you, like your voice
Okay.
too. Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3.
Bye!
Oh my god, that was